Want to stop YouTube from tracking every video you watch? Whether you're researching something personal or just want more privacy, turning off your watch history is a simple fix. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it on both iPhone and Android. Start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon. It's at the top right on Android and bottom right on iPhone. From the menu, tap on Settings. Now, scroll and tap on Manage All History, located just under Connected Apps. At the top right of the screen, make sure you're signed in to the correct YouTube account where you want to turn off the watch history. Next, tap on Saving Your YouTube History. Here you'll see two options. If you want to pause just your watch history, uncheck Include the YouTube videos you watch. Or if you want to turn off everything, both your watch and search history, tap Turn Off at the bottom. YouTube will inform you that your history will no longer be saved unless you return to this setting and manually enable it again. Confirm your choice by tapping Pause. And that's it. You've successfully disabled your YouTube watch history, giving you more privacy while browsing. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.